Hey yo, what's really good, people? Welcome back. Axtuo is back at me. How you been? It's been a minute. Have this 2019 Infiniti QX60. Alright. I'm gonna show you how to replace the driver's side mirror. Alright. Driver's side mirror. So stay tuned. You know, I was gonna say before I jump into the action, I'm saying subscribe, do your thing, and all that. And I'm gonna say it again. Subscribe to the channel, do that. And I'm saying support my work, do all that. And I'm saying I'm not fluffy. I didn't get fat. It's just the thermal inside. And I'm saying. It's cold outside, it's cold. So winter season, Christmas season, holiday season. Stu. Alright, let's do this, alright? I'm gonna show you why I'm changing this. Come out here. You see that? Alright. So we're gonna do it, alright. Over here, grab your lock pick, whatever. Come to here. You have to pull this, okay? But of course, I'm gonna do it so you can watch. So you see how the big leads do it. All right. Now then, that's one, okay. There's a bolt in there, okay. Come on with you. See it right there? That's gonna be a 10 millimeter. And then right here is another one. I'm gonna do the same here. Like that, I'm saying. Now you remove it. You have two bolts, okay, 10 millimeter. Now we're gonna remove those two. One over here. This one, and then the two over here. Just like that, right? They kind of look like the same type of bolt. So now just like that. There's like an edge over here. You're gonna feel it though. You pull it from there towards you, alright? Over here too, same. Push it up. Okay. Now you expose the secrets. Hold it with your knee for a second, because right here we're gonna pop this. I'm gonna pop this guy. Pause. Right here. Just like that. Now, if you don't want to hold the door panel with your knee, just put it back for a minute. Just like that, you know what I'm saying? It goes like this, you know what I'm saying? Now you're gonna need what is that, 12 or something? I'll show you. Never mind, that's gonna be 10 millimeter. Of course, you're gonna have to like move the door panel out of the way. gonna do it like that because I'm using only one hand, and I don't want to lose these nuts, poles. Talking about poles, how you been, people? It's been a minute. I'm missing you guys. Haven't seen you in now. Here, I'm gonna plug it right here. Just like that. Push it down. Pull it up. Push it down. Pull it up. Now this thing just wiggle it, wiggle it, wiggle it, wiggle it. Just like that. Alright. Now this is the guy. Oh fuck the. Of course, I'm gonna open this, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna treat it like an alien. I'm gonna see the technology behind this mirror and all that. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, it has a sensor over there. Yeah. This is the new guy. Made by Nissan. Okay? I mean, if you go to the Infiniti dealership, Nissan is still is a Nissan group, you know what I'm saying? Nissan, Infiniti, Datsun, you know what I'm saying? So it's the same thing, okay? Just new. Alright. So let me put it on. Oh, I forgot to tell you. So that's the part number. Obviously, you're gonna like left hand, okay, driver's side. Obviously, if you have a different color of car, you're gonna have to like, you know what I'm saying. If you bought it from the dealership, this is a 2019. I don't know exactly how many miles it has, but obviously if you have a low mileage in your car and you got it from the dealership, the parts like this you have to get through the dealership, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, and they're gonna give you a right one. Obviously it's gonna of course it's gonna be a little bit expensive, more than the copy, but the aftermarket, but you gotta do what you gotta do to match the color, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, alright, let me put the new so right here, go like this, don't drop it, because if you drop it, you fucked it up. Then you're gonna be like period, period, push it in. Okay, now you're good though, because this thing right here, the plastic, is holding it there. That's the function of that plastic. Now where are the nuts, posts? Holding it with my leg. It's on my lap, like Santa Claus. Have your beat on his lap. Tighten it. You don't need a specific torque specification, but you have to tighten and snug it, you know what I'm saying? Now this thing connected back. Obviously you want to check before you put everything back that it works, it moves, you respond to your commands and all that through the door panel, to the switch control right here. But so good. I mean, it gotta be good. You know what I'm saying? So this thing, we put it back the same way you remove it. This thing go over here. This thing over here. Alright, those are the clips. Just pop it in like so. Alright. Now this thing, we just put it back the same way we remove it. Bring it all the way up. Then drop it on. Just like that. Now you're just gonna pop around the door panel, tap it in, okay, and now you put the bolts back, and you're gonna see that they are aligned. Right? That tells you that you put the door panel back correctly. You know what I'm saying? Now we just tie the bolts. Feels good though. Alright. Now we put the plates back. Stay the same. I'm gonna put it like this. Okay. You hear that pop? That's pretty much it. Now let's try it out. Click on the start button twice. We're gonna see if it moves. Let me show you. Okay, I'm gonna play with this. Left, left. Right, down, up. So it's good. It's all good. All right. Alright, guys. I'm gonna leave right here. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. Let me shut this down. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Do that. You know what I'm saying, support my work. Shout outs to everybody, shout outs to my my fans, my subscribers, my viewers. By the way, what you're waiting for, subscribe to the channel. Anything you want to say, put it in the comment box. Alright? I'm gonna leave it right there. I'm gonna leave it right here. You know where to find me. It's Axtuo, it's me. You see the label, you know what I'm saying? And see you in the next one. Axtuo, boom. See ya.